The 17-year-old teenager killed 1 week ago in Jacksonville by turning up their music.
That teen shot and killed after a dispute over loud music, and tonight it is through that music people are showing their support. We have team coverage for you right now. We begin with First Coast News' Ken Amaro. He's joining us live tonight from the South Side. Ken.
That's correct. I'm here at 93.3 Hip Hop, the jams. I've got Q45, Eazy-E, and T-Roy. There are some of the DJs who are tonight paying tribute to 17-year-old Jordan Davis. Now, they're encouraging the listeners to, as you said a second ago, turn up the music in salute to the teenager. Jordan's father called into the radio station earlier to say thank you. Mr. Ron Davis, of course, you know he's in Atlanta for the funeral of his son, as well as the pastor, LaShawn Nix, who will do the eulogy. They also called in to express their appreciation for what's taking place. While I've been here, students from Wilson High School have been calling in. As you know, Jordan was a student at Wilson High School, and they're all calling in remembrance. This tribute is scheduled to continue throughout the evening. When Eazy-E comes on, they'll continue through the evening, and the program director came in a minute ago and said that tomorrow they'll carry this tribute to Atlanta, again, where Jordan is being funeralized. The whole objective here is to celebrate life and let people know that you can listen to your music without offending someone or even getting killed over it. And the concern, of course, is that this could happen to any 17-year-old. And so if they remain silent, then they're doing the community an injustice. So they're hoping that by voicing their concerns and their appreciation and getting the community to get involved, everyone can speak up and say, this was totally senseless. Reporting at 93.3, The Beat, Ken Amaro, First Coast News.
All righty, Ken, thank you. Our team coverage continues now.
Let's go live now to Aaron Hawley. He has more on this tonight. Aaron?
Well, Davis family attorney John Phillips wanted to attend the visitation going on right now, but he had already committed to this Toys for Tots fundraiser at his office. But as you can hear, at 5 o'clock, they turned up the music here, playing Strawberry Letter 23, a song picked out by Jordan Davis's family.
It's a song about love and rainbows, and it's one of those old 70s songs that where everybody just loved each other more, and there was a lot more respect for each other. And that's where we are. You've got people reacting without acting. You've got people on instant gratification, and that's not the way things used to be.
Phillips says Davis's family is in full support of this Turn Up the Music movement going on tonight. Live in Ortega, Aaron Hawley, First Coast News.
Aaron, thank you. Well, a visitation is being held today in Georgia for Davis.
Keith Whitney with our sister station, WXIA, continues our team coverage for you tonight. He's at the Marietta Funeral Home where this visitation just began.
Good evening. It is a decidedly quieter scene here in Marietta, Georgia at the West Cobb Funeral Home. Visitation for Jordan Davis has just gotten underway in the last few minutes. It will last several more hours until 9 o'clock tonight. Davis's funeral will be held tomorrow at noon at the Trinity Chapel Church of God, which is just down the road of Peace and Powder Springs. We're hoping for an interview later this evening with Jordan's father, Ron, clearly devastated by the loss and certainly the circumstances surrounding the loss of his son. Davis's mother, who lives here in Georgia, has said she does not want his death to divide people. Now, that funeral tomorrow is scheduled for about noon, as I said, and the young man will be buried tomorrow in Kennesaw. Jeannie?
All right, thanks very much, Keith. Jordan Davis's funeral is tomorrow, just outside of Atlanta. We have a crew there. We'll bring you live coverage of the funeral beginning tomorrow on Good Morning Jacksonville.